Today I am reviewing the LEVOIT Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're searching for a powerful, lightweight, and easy-to-use cordless vacuum that can handle everyday cleaning with ease, the LEVOIT Cordless Vacuum Cleaner LEVOIT 200 is a very strong option worth considering. Designed with convenience, performance, and versatility in mind, this stick vacuum is built to make cleaning faster, easier, and more efficient, whether you're dealing with carpets, hard floors, or pet hair. One of the first things you'll notice about this vacuum is its lightweight and cordless design. Unlike traditional bulky vacuums, this model is easy to carry around, making it perfect for quick cleanups and everyday use. You can move from room to room without worrying about plugging and unplugging, which saves time and makes cleaning far less frustrating. Its ergonomic design also makes it comfortable to use, even during longer cleaning sessions. The powerful suction is one of the standout features of the LEVOIT LEVOIT 200. It delivers strong and consistent suction power that effectively picks up dust, dirt, crumbs, and even pet hair from a variety of surfaces. Whether you're cleaning hardwood floors, tiles, or carpets, this vacuum performs well across the board. It is especially useful for homes with pets, as it can easily handle fur without losing suction strength. Another impressive feature is the tangle-resistant roller design. Anyone who has used a vacuum with long hair or pet hair knows how frustrating it can be when the brush gets clogged. This vacuum is designed to reduce hair tangling significantly, which means less maintenance and more efficient cleaning. It saves you time and effort, especially if you have pets or long hair in your household. Battery life is another strong point. The up to 50-minute runtime gives you enough time to clean multiple rooms on a single charge, depending on the power mode you use. This is ideal for daily cleaning or even deeper cleaning sessions. You can complete most household tasks without needing to recharge in the middle, which adds to the overall convenience. The vacuum also features a versatile cleaning system, thanks to the included attachments. With tools like the 2-in-1 crevice tool and pet tool, you can easily clean tight spaces, corners, furniture, and areas that are usually hard to reach. This makes it a flexible cleaning solution for your entire home, not just your floors. Maintenance is made simple with several thoughtful design features. The easy empty dustbin allows you to dispose of dirt with just one click, so you don't have to touch the mess. The vacuum also includes washable filters and a detachable roller, which makes it easy to keep the device clean and maintain optimal performance over time. This not only improves longevity, but also ensures consistent suction power. Another major advantage is the 5-stage filtration system, which is particularly beneficial for households with allergies or pets. This system helps capture fine dust particles, pet dander, and other allergens, improving the air quality in your home. It ensures that the vacuum doesn't just move dust around, but actually traps it effectively. The build quality and overall usability of the LEVOIT LEVOIT 200 are also impressive. It feels sturdy yet lightweight, and all the components are designed with user convenience in mind. From the handle to the attachments, everything is intuitive and easy to use, even if you've never used a cordless vacuum before. In terms of everyday performance, this vacuum really shines as a reliable cleaning companion. It's perfect for quick cleanups after meals, handling pet hair, or doing a full sweep of your home. It's especially useful for people who want something quick and hassle-free without sacrificing too much on performance. While it may not replace a heavy-duty vacuum for extremely deep cleaning or large commercial spaces, it excels in home use, apartments, and medium-sized living spaces. The balance between power, portability, and ease of use makes it a standout in its category. In conclusion, the LEVOIT Cordless Vacuum Cleaner LEVOIT 200 is an excellent choice if you want a reliable, lightweight, and efficient vacuum that simplifies your cleaning routine. With its strong suction, long battery life, tangle-resistant design, and user-friendly features, it offers great value for its price. If you're looking for a cordless vacuum that can handle daily messes, pet hair, and general household cleaning with ease, this model is definitely worth considering. It combines performance, convenience, and thoughtful design into one powerful cleaning tool that can make a real difference in your home.